Okay, so I'm going to do a little video here to show you how to change and update the calendar when you add or delete employees. So at this point we have a calendar that's generated from Google Calendars that is connected with the one or more of the Google Calendar or Google accounts. And so let's go ahead and just move forward. So right now we've got the schedule page. Now in order to change the code, of course, you need to be logged into the dashboard of the WordPress site. So you have to be in staff.riversidegrooming.com/WP/admin. And you'd have to have the username and password in order to log in. And once you do, you'll have access to the dashboard, which looks like this. You can't really see the whole screen on this video, but it's okay. That's how it looks. You can always click up here to visit the site. And once you do, you'll have to put in the password, and because it is password protected. So we'll go here. And now we're back into the staff website, but you have this black bar up here that shows you that you are logged into the dashboard for the WordPress website. So here we are, we're back on the schedule again. And once again, it's populating the current schedule. So in order to change this, of course, you have to go to Edit Page. Up here, you're going to be editing the schedule page. And when you do, if you know WordPress, you know you have two options. Generally, you can either view the what you see is what you get, WYSIWYG, or you can go here to see the code, the text. And the calendar is basically the last chunk in here, the way I have currently formatted it. So that right there would need to be replaced with any new code. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go to the Google Calendar, and when I do, here, let me try to get this stuff in here a little bit better. Okay, this is the Google Calendar. All right, and this has, oops, let's get this to cooperate. Hang on a second. All right, there. No. Oh, come on. All right. I have to kind of eke it over to get it to work in this video software. Anyhow, so here we are. You have Google Calendar, and we have all of the different employees that are listed in here. Okay, so you can just start with the first one, is fine. You just click on here and hit Settings and Sharing, and then it's going to go to this page, the Settings page. You want to go down below, and what we want to do is integrate the calendar. So you've got the calendar integration, customize, which they misspelled, but that's fine. And what we're doing is we're pulling up the calendar that we're trying to create this code up here, this embed code, and we want to make it work with our website. Normally I don't want the title on it, it's in the way. I don't want the print icon, I don't need that there. I don't need the time zone there either. Okay, what I do want is I want the calendar to the default view to show agenda. Agenda seems to work better for our purposes. And now you can see you want to make sure that you have checked everybody that you want to be in this calendar. So there they are, they're all in there. The one last thing that I like to do is I like to format the size of it to fit the page properly. So I'm going to go back to the page, and I already have it in the code. Down here in the bottom, you can see it says the width is 920, the height is 800, so 920 by 800. So I'm going to go back to the calendar, or to the embed, and I'm going to go 920 by 800. And now that is the proper size to fit into the website, the way the website is set up the current time. Okay, so now all I need to do is just copy this and go back to the staff website, and I'm going to replace this code with that. Now, just so you know, before I did that, I'm going to show you. If we look at visual, go down here. I did this deliberately, so I wanted you to see that Jackie's name is not in this list. I added Jackie's name to make it something different. So let's go back here, and now if I replace this frame with this, and I go here and go to visual, now you'll see Jackie is in there. Okay, so that's basically it, and then from there you're going to just update it. And when you do, make sure it did it. Yep, see it spinning up there. Okay, usually it just kind of pops like that. Okay, good. Now we can just view the page. And I'm going to go down, and now you see Jackie is in there. This is the actual staff website now, the front end. That's how it looks. So that's how I do it. And as far as using the calendar, you can watch the other video on how to do that. Okay, there you go. Take care. Bye-bye.